Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Khanflicks. Today we're looking at something a little bit different. This year is an AI sports cameraman called the XbotGo Chameleon. Now, it's actually kind of interesting because it can go ahead and track players as they're playing, and it can even track numbers. So it can depict who is a specific jersey number and then follow that particular individual while they're playing. It can actually even follow a group or a team of people, which is actually pretty cool. Now, I myself don't really have a sports team with me, but I do know a lot about different things in terms of tech goes, so I can go and showcase that today. Now, if you guys want to learn more about them, check out the link in the below. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is what they sent us. So it says XbotGo Chameleon AI Sports Cameraman. It does come in different colors. I think we just got the regular old black version, but it's still pretty cool. Now over here it does tell you about a little bit in terms of detail. It features a 120 degrees AI lens, player tracking, team sports tracking, and of course no subscription fee. Pretty simplistic in terms of packaging goes. So you have your tracker or your AI camera right over here. So this actually attaches to your phone, in which it has its own camera to go ahead and scan, but then obviously it uses your phone to go ahead and record. It comes with a little remote, a USB-C to USB-C to go ahead and charge it, and that's it. Pretty nice weight to it. You have the tripod mount on the bottom here, so you go ahead and hold it and rotate it from there. It says not to move this particular top part here. This is where your phone will mount. It looks like it even has a little tripod mount as well there on the top, so you can technically mount on a camera. This will actually kind of mount just like this. And there's a little dial on this side here, so go ahead and spin that dial. Now from there, it'll hold your phone in place. So pretty cool. And they also gave us a tripod. This guy right over here. Now this is actually a really tall tripod. And the reason behind that is so you can go ahead and have it showing your whole entire sports team and kind of seeing it like that. And then the tripod can extend all the way up as much as you'd like. So yeah, it's got a good amount of length to it. This is kind of cool too. So this is a weight bag. So you can go ahead and use this to keep it secured and mount it in the ground, specifically if you're like, at like a soccer field or something like that.
All right, so after testing it out, I have to say I was quite impressed. In fact, you can go ahead and track multiple players at once, and it gives you different settings. In other words, you can do it for different games. So we have basketball like this, for example. You can see how it tracks each individual player, making it so much easier to go ahead and follow. From there, you can go ahead and pick and choose what you want, and they can also go ahead and track jersey numbers too. Now, you can use it for different sports and different features. You can do a follow me function and so much more. Overall, it's actually quite impressive. I'm actually quite shocked on how good it is. In fact, it's really great, especially if you have a sports team or if you want to go ahead and record somebody that is playing on a sports. I would highly recommend it. And hands down, definitely going to be using this in my future videos as my own personal cameraman. Now, with that said, if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.